60. Yep. I'm glad we're walking down this hill. This would have been a horrible one. This step and then the step we just did. $140. Huh? Another one you gotta climb up in. That's probably their tree climbers. There's only one left.
Should have tree climber attribute.
This one should?
Yeah, I climb the tree more than I climb other trees.
Yeah. Keep some animals away from the cache site. Leaving some piss. Whoa. No. And if the camera's that good to get it, then it's been on there a few times. So, one more ain't hurting it. Hold on, don't move. Yeah, one more ain't hurting it. Get this under that shirt so I'm not getting the shirt soaked with Sprite. In case I put it back on. Well, hell, there was a multi-cache right by our car.
They look like more mine loads are yours.
Yeah.
Mine starts up at the car.
Are we going to get the earth cache and the other one before we go to the car? Oh. Then it truly is half the park. We don't have to walk all the way back down to get them. In the top parking spot. Even though it would be nice just to go right to the car. It's stupid not to get there too. We'll be right by it when we get at the car. Walk past the car, get them, and come back. One's probably a picture and answer some questions. Some shit like that. Hopefully it ain't something real intricate. And then the other one's a regular, so at least it's not a micro we're walking all the way down there for. What? Huh?
The 2 tasks that you have to do to complete the
Oh, shit. 2 tasks.
when you're camera optional, so you don't have to do it, but they try to put a video of yourself
With the earth cache.
bring your thermometer. The spring water still flows from the spring. House as it had back in the early 1900s on it, considering it was used for refrigerator or what temperature water.
No idea. Don't have. We'll just say you don't have a thermometer. You're gonna guess.
My finger says 31 degrees. I don't know. My finger says it's cold as fuck.
62. 62 degrees. Give me one guess.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna feel it and see what it feels like. It feels cold. You want to say cold? It feels warm.
It ain't gonna be warm. It ain't gonna feel warm. It's still gonna feel cold out here.
Well, 62 degrees, you say.
Yeah, 62 ain't gonna feel warm.
Sure it would. It'd feel like a nice hot bath.
No.
62 degrees.
No.
Oh,
Yeah, water ain't the same thing, bro. May even be more like 55 degrees. It ain't freezing because it ain't frozen. Yeah. So they use the water to cool a refrigerator. Goes through in it. Goes through a condenser and they blow air across it.
that's why you do a big puddle of water on the bottom.
No. That's because the fucking seal between the freezer and the refrigerator's leaking, and condensation's building up and draining down the back wall of the thing and filling up the floor of the refrigerator. And we actually keep the fridge cold or bottom of the freezer, but for some reason it's able to thaw out under there. I don't know, it's a mess. Damn it. Are we there yet, Papa Smurf? Yeah, we already got it. Sounds good. Yeah, we can get a stamp that says Team M. If your mom wants to log any of them that we stamp TM, she can. Especially if she's with us, obviously. Matt, Mama Matt. Obviously, if we say we stamp it, we're going to say we signed it as Team M. It's like if me and your mom would have got married before you were 18 and you wanted to take my last name, you'd have been MM too. What do you think of that shit? It would have really been Team M. Is Team M enough? Fuck. This is for one cache or to get back to the car? Jesus Christ. Yeah. Well, we just go right up that hill right there. Look down there, Steve is walking around it. Do we cut anything off? Probably not. Jeez. Yeah, we're probably better off on the damn trail. It looks pretty steep when you're right here. Is that our little creek? Really sunny. It's kind of cool to see down in there. Yeah, I know. Yeah. You just go down there and record it. I bet if you threw a log down there and it hit the ground, they shut up. Yeah. Yeah. We going to Earth Cache?
Yeah, we either go this way, back.
Yeah. There's a little shortcut here. I hope so. Oh shit.